Coco, the detective rabbit, runs through the garden with his magnifying glass in hand. This is his story. Coco is a white rabbit with very long ears. He lives in a little house next to a pretty garden. His green detective cap is his favorite treasure. All the animals in the forest know Coco. Coco loves mysteries. Every day, he looks for clues with his magnifying glass. He checks under the flowers and behind the trees. Being a detective is so much fun. His magnifying glass is always clean and shiny. Coco's garden is famous all over the forest. The biggest, sweetest carrots grow there. Coco takes care of his plants with lots of love. Every carrot is special to him. Colorful flowers grow next to the carrots. In the morning, Coco waters the plants with fresh water. Then he counts his carrots one by one. 1, 2, 3, 20 carrots. Everything is perfect in the garden. The sun shines and the birds sing happily. The forest friends visit Coco's garden. The bird sings and the turtle walks slowly. Everyone wants to taste the sweet carrots. Coco is very proud of his garden. The garden is everyone's favorite place. One night, Coco looks at the stars from his window. The garden is calm and quiet. Tomorrow will be another happy day, thinks Coco. But something strange is about to happen. Coco closes his eyes and sleeps peacefully. One morning, Coco counts his carrots and one is missing. Every night, a carrot disappears. Who could be taking Coco's carrots? Coco can't believe it. Yesterday, there were 20 carrots in the garden. Today, there are only 19 carrots. One carrot vanished during the night. Coco searches the whole garden, but finds nothing. The next day, the same thing happens again. Another carrot is gone from its place. Only a little hole is left in the soil. The mystery grows bigger every day. Coco looks at the hole with wide eyes. Coco asks the blue bird in the tree, "Did you see anything strange last night, friend?" The bird shakes his head and says no. Nobody knows anything about the carrot thief. Coco also asks the turtle by the lake. The turtle thinks slowly, very slowly. "I didn't see anything. I'm so sorry," she answers. The mystery grows bigger and bigger. Coco is worried about his garden. If the carrots keep vanishing, there won't be any left. What will his forest friends eat? He has to solve this mystery soon. His long ears droop, sad and low. That night, Coco can't sleep well. He thinks and thinks about the lost carrots. Who visits the garden at night? Tomorrow he'll begin his investigation. The moon watches the rabbit through the window. Coco takes his magnifying glass and looks closely at the ground. There are tiny footprints in the soil. The footprints lead toward the dark forest. Coco examines the footprints with his big magnifying glass. They are very, very small footprints. They're not a bird's and not a turtle's, says Coco. Whose mysterious footprints are these? The detective thinks very carefully. The detective follows the footprints step by step. The footprints pass between the red flowers. Then they cross the wooden bridge. Coco walks slowly and quietly. His little nose sniffs the garden air. Near the bridge, Coco finds another clue. It's a tiny piece of carrot. The thief came through here, thinks the detective. His heart beats fast with excitement. Coco tucks the little piece into his green pocket. The footprints lead into the green forest. Coco looks at the tall trees carefully. There are soft sounds among the leaves. The little detective isn't afraid. His paws walk without making a sound. Suddenly, the footprints disappear near a rock. Coco searches and searches with his magnifying glass. Behind the rock, there's a tiny little hole. Someone lives here, says Coco, surprised. The hole is the home of a small animal. Coco has a very clever idea. Tonight, I'm going to wait in the garden, he says. I'll find out who takes the carrots. The detective prepares his secret plan. That night, Coco waits behind a tree. A small shadow enters the garden. It's a little gray mouse, very hungry. The moon shines over the quiet garden. Coco waits very still behind the tree. His long ears listen to every sound. The night is dark and mysterious. The wind moves the leaves gently. After a long time, Coco hears something. Tiny little steps come from the forest. Tip, tap, tip, tap, go the steps. The mysterious visitor is arriving. Coco's heart beats very fast. Coco watches with his big, curious eyes. The shadow walks toward the carrots. It's very small and has a long tail. At last he's going to find out the truth. Coco doesn't make a sound behind the tree. The little mouse tries to pull out a big carrot. She pushes and pushes with all her strength. The carrot is bigger than she is. The little mouse is very tired. Coco comes out slowly from his hiding spot. "Hello, who are you?" he asks in a soft voice. The little mouse jumps with fright and trembles. "Please don't be angry with me," she says. "My name is Mimi and I'm very hungry," the little mouse explains. "There's no food in the forest for me. That's why I take a carrot every night. Forgive me, Mr. Rabbit." Coco smiles and gives Mimi a big carrot. "I'm not angry," says the kind rabbit. Mimi's eyes shine with joy. Mimi eats the carrot with great happiness. "Thank you, you're so kind," says the little mouse. Coco feels a warmth in his heart. Helping others is wonderful. The night is no longer sad or dark. "Why didn't you ask me for help before?" asks Coco. "I was scared and ashamed," Mimi answers sadly. "Friends always help each other," says Coco. "And now you're my friend." Coco invites Mimi to his garden. "You can eat carrots whenever you want," he says happily. Mimi can't believe his words. She never has to hide again. Mimi jumps with joy on her little paws. Together they plant new carrots in the soil. Mimi is small but works very hard. Coco teaches her how to care for the plants. The garden is prettier than ever. The little seeds sleep under the soil. The mystery of the carrots is solved. There was no bad thief in the garden, just a little friend who was hungry. Sometimes mysteries have happy endings. Now Coco and Mimi take care of the garden together. There are sweet carrots for all their friends. Sharing is the best gift of the heart.